Hi, so this is the a second version of Market Watch, which I'm doing round about at 105. So I ran my software, and there were these three very good companies from the same sector which came up. And the first company which I'm going to talk about is Muthoot Finance, and Muthoot Finance is trading around about 1510. This is on an hourly chart. You can see it was able to take multiple supports at 1460 levels, and right now it's trading towards is trying to go towards 1540, which might be a very good region for breakout. So for an intraday perspective, I would be very much be interested in any move above say 1520 levels, and then going forward, definitely if a breakout comes over 1540, which would be then taking out to new all-time high. But very interestingly, there is one particular pattern which I wanted to showcase over here, and how you can find this particular how is this going to move is something like this. You can see, so around about 1530 it has some resistance, but given the very good consolidation and given the very tight consolidation, this is bound to give a move, this particular structure. And theoretically you should be putting a 1501 or maybe 1499 or 1495 as your stop loss, but I think going forward this is definitely going to break this and is going to move forward. So this is the first company, Muthoot Finance. The second one I wanted to talk about is definitely Manapura Finance. So this company was going in a very good uptrend, so since last month, and we were able to take some trades. And now you can see then it broke with a nifty weakness, and then there was this red candle, and you see that there is no follow-up selling. And then the best thing which started happening after this red candle, this candle which had a lot of volume, was it formed a very good base, and now it's trying to go up. Throughout the day it has been making higher highs and higher lows. Giving forward, I think 165 166 is a zone which could be attained. Definitely you should be keeping 162, below 162 as one of the zones, one of your stop losses. And I would be because throughout this expiry, we have taken a few trades, range bound trades in Manappuram Finance, and then it was trading between 162 and 166. And right now you can see that it started with a gap up, and now is trying to be inside this range. So I would be waiting for some dip if it comes eventually, and I would be targeting 165 and 167. So this is the second company, Manapura Finance. And the third company I want to talk about is LIC Housing Finance. LIC Housing Finance, after posting a very good result, it went for a very good sell off, and there was this nice dip came in, and then there was a nice round base formed in the last 2 days. This is on an hourly chart, and here you can see there was also some buying interest. And then today it was able to breach this 470 region, which was acting like a resistance. And throughout this is on an hourly chart, throughout the day it's consolidating between 480 and 475. So in a very tight consolidating in a very tight range. I think going forward, if you are tracking if for 480 and 482 levels, which might act like a immediate resistance, or even 485 levels, if this is actually one of the very let me just give me a time. Yeah, here, this one. Right, okay, let me change it. Yeah, exactly. So right now you can see that 485 can act like a resistance, and maybe it will try to touch 485, and then it will try to dip. But no matter what, if it is able to take out 485 488 region, then going forward I think this is going to definitely be one of the very good wealth creators in the very short term, and I can easily see a targets of 520ish over here. But right now it's in a very tight range between 480 and 475. And if 480 is taken out convincingly, which I think it should, unless and until it dips towards 470 and 465, that would be invalidating this pattern. Until that happens, we can expect a 485ish target in a very short frame. And given this, that would be nearly 1%, which is good enough for a one day move. And if you're looking for a long term move, then I think you should be more making positions above 485 when it's able to take it out. Hope this video was helpful, and these are the three finance companies which are in my radar for the mid session. And if you like this video, if you think the content was good for you, just do like this video. Yeah, thank you. Have a nice trading.